Welcome to 9 to 5 Unchained, a channel dedicated to providing reliable information and resources to help you quit your 9 to 5. Hi, my name's Judy. In this video, I will be demonstrating a software builder plugin for WordPress. If you're not already aware, WordPress receives over 424 million views per month. So you can see why WordPress is the current leader in website building and management. The software I'm going to show you today is called Brizy. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate or experienced user, Brizy will have something for your business needs. You don't require any coding skills, no web design experience, so there's no problem using this innovative visual builder which empowers any user to create awesome and modern websites. Let's take a look inside Brizy. So over here on the right hand side, you can start your account for free. So the free account gives you most options and features required to get started. Certainly something I suggest if you're just starting, just to get a feel for the whole platform itself. And you can play around and have no problem. If you don't like it, you can just get rid of it. However, I do recommend once you get used to this platform, you will find the benefits and feature outweigh anything else that's available on the market. I've used Elementor and Divi, and I find Brizy to be head and shoulders above those two platforms. Ideally because I'm a beginner, and I also like the ease of being able to build single pages, landing pages, and their templates are really beautiful and very intuitive. So let's get on to the important stuff. How much is this going to cost? So you can see currently they're running a lifetime license and there's 396 licenses left. So if we have a look at the pricing, very straightforward, $49 a year for 3 sites, and you pay that every year. So this is, I guess, ideal if you only have a few sites or you're just playing around or you don't know quite where you're going with your business. Then there's the studio plan for $99 a year. Same features as in the personal plan. However, you get unlimited sites. Again, that $99 is paid every year. And the lifetime value pack, as I call it, is $299, which is a one-off price where you get everything in the studio plan, but it's one-time payment. So therefore, you're saving yourself, I guess, after 3 years, you've paid for your platform. Again, up to you, but I think the important part to read up here is there's 100% risk-free with our 30-day money back. So even if you were to make a purchase and you decided that you didn't like this platform, it didn't suit your needs, you can get a 100% risk-free money back within 30 days. So that's the pricing point covered off. I think let's look at the integrations. I think it's really important that when you have a platform that it services all your requirements. Now, especially if you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, you're selling products, etc. You may have an autoresponder that you're currently using. Well, here's a list of autoresponders that you can integrate your platform with. And SendGrid and Salesforce are coming soon. So that's exciting. And also WooCommerce, Yoast, and a couple of other WordPress plugins are also available. Now you'll note the Pro in the corner. If you don't have a Pro account, then you will not be able to access any of these autoresponders or integration plugins. So the designs and features, pretty much this time-saving feature designer always wanted. And you know, that basically sums up this software in my mind. And I'm going to jump into my website now and show you just how easy it is to build a site. So this is my site here. You can see 9to5unchained.com. That's me. I want to build a page. This is the page that will appear on your website. Press the blue plus button and this pops up basically straight away. Just run through quickly some of the features on the left hand side. You can see there's kits 1 and 2. If you change to kit 1, you'll get a few additional blocks. I'll change back to kit 2. You can also change immediately the look of your website or your page to light, dark, without having to muck around. I'll just go back to light. And here are all the categories: call to action, text, team, pricing, testimonials. If we go to layouts, sorry, my internet's a bit slow today. You can see that these are some of the layouts that are available for you to use. So there's 5 layouts here. You can essentially build a website out. You can see that all these layouts are currently, you require a pro license for. But just so I can demonstrate this live for you, I'll go into blocks, and you can see with the blocks you can have a blank block so you can build your own out, or you can use the templates. Now all these templates are fully customizable, so what you see here is very interchangeable. So let me demonstrate. Just grab this one for the purpose of this demonstration. I want to sell ice cream on the internet. Good luck with that. If I press on this image here, I can make the image smaller and make it bigger. I can change shadowing. I can even remove it. And I can go to the blocks here and I want to put in a video instead. So it'll load up the video icon of something that I've already, that was audio. So you can have audio on here, but you decide you don't want audio. I would like to put a video in instead. Just drag it across. The video will load. Press the little arrow here, and you'll have a choice of currently YouTube or Vimeo to upload, and then you can link it back to your channel or wherever you would like to link it back to. You have a sign up here if you were creating or collecting emails. If you were to go to this little PowerPoint looking icon, you can see that you have currently nothing available because you need a pro license. However, you have all these apps available to integrate. And the other thing I really, really like about Brizy is the reCAPTCHA. I think it's really important to safeguard your website from spamming, and this reCAPTCHA icon is really handy, and I certainly encourage you to use it. Irrespective of whether you use Brizy or another platform, if there's the opportunity to install reCAPTCHA, I highly recommend that. So I want to add a new block here. Again, I just go to the Add Elements section, and I want to add a video here to my block. So I can add this block. Oh, sorry, I need the pro for that. I will add this block, and there it is. We have that block. Now say, for example, I want to change the blocks around. I want the Art of Smile up on top of this particular block. So I go to here, the little folder section, and basically I just reorder it like that. So the more blocks you have, the more reordering you can do. The other feature I like down here is this little icon, and it'll give you how your website will look on mobile, tablet, or desktop. So you're able to make the adjustments within those particular fields so that you know if someone was to look at your website on mobile, they're going to get the best experience they can. So right now I'm going to show you a full demonstration of Brizy. If you like this tutorial, I encourage you to subscribe, smash the like button. There will be links below if you wish to learn more about Brizy. And there is also a link below for a web hosting company that I use and recommend called BLUEHOST. You will need a web hosting server to be able to operate your WordPress and Brizy. So the links are below the description. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.